Welcome back to Tools Ocean. Today, we're looking at some of the most specialized tools ever created. These aren't your everyday hammers and screwdrivers. These are purpose-built problem solvers designed to tackle jobs that ordinary tools simply can't handle. From automotive repair and electrical work to construction, plumbing, contraction, plumbing, and woodworking, these incredible tools save time, reduce frustration, and make impossible tasks surprisingly easy. Let's get started.
Wear a Craftform Safe Torque Speed Screwdriver. Over-tightening a fastener can turn an expensive repair into a costly mistake. That's why Wera developed the Craftform Safe Torque Speed Screwdriver. Users can set a precise torque value, and once that limit is reached, the mechanism automatically disengages. This prevents stripped threads, damaged components, and costly errors. For technicians working on sensitive equipment, carbon fiber assemblies, or electrical installations, it delivers peace of mind with every turn.
Every technician eventually encounters that one stripped screw that refuses to move no matter what. The Crescent Screw Extraction Screwdriver Set is designed specifically for those nightmare situations. Its hardened extraction tips bite aggressively into damaged screw heads, creating grip where standard drivers fail completely. Combined with a heavy-duty, impact-resistant handle, it transfers maximum torque directly into the fastener. Instead of reaching for drills, extractors, and complicated repair kits, you simply apply pressure, twist, and remove. It's one of those tools you hope you never need, but when you do, you'll be incredibly glad it's in your toolbox.
VEVOR Manual Tire Bead Breaker. Separating an old tire from a rim can be one of the toughest jobs in a workshop. The VEVOR Manual Tire Bead Breaker makes the process dramatically easier. Its heavy-duty wedge system applies controlled force exactly where it's needed, breaking stubborn tire beads without damaging expensive rims. No hydraulic equipment, no dangerous sledgehammer swings. Just simple mechanical advantage doing the hard work for you. Traditional copper pipe installation often involves torches, flux, and significant fire risk. The iCrimp IWS-1632CF offers a safer alternative. Using powerful mechanical force, it creates secure press-fit connections in just seconds. The result is a clean, reliable, watertight seal without flames or complicated soldering techniques. It's a game-changing tool for plumbers seeking safer and faster installations. Preparing large industrial cables requires extreme precision. The Ripley adjustable cable stripper functions almost like a miniature machine shop for wire preparation. Adjustable blade depth allows users to cut through insulation cleanly while protecting the conductors underneath. For linemen and industrial electricians, it's an essential tool that ensures safe, code-compliant cable preparation every time. Fishing wires through finished walls is often frustrating and destructive. The Klein magnetic wire puller makes it surprisingly simple. Powerful rare earth magnets allow installers to guide wires through hidden wall cavities with remarkable accuracy. No more snagged fish tapes, no unnecessary holes in drywall. Just smooth, efficient wire routing that feels almost like magic. Installing ADO clamps can test the patience of even experienced mechanics. The Voris ADO clamp installation tool was created specifically to eliminate that frustration. It compresses and aligns clamps perfectly, freeing one hand to install hardware without struggling against spring tension. For aircraft mechanics, race car builders, and wiring specialists, it's a small tool that delivers massive convenience. Large electrical projects often involve hundreds of wire nuts. Doing it by hand quickly becomes exhausting. The ideal wire nut spinner attaches directly to a drill and rapidly installs connectors with consistent tightness. It's inexpensive, incredibly effective, and capable of dramatically reducing installation time on major wiring projects. Imagine a radiator hose fails miles away from civilization, and you don't have a spare clamp. The Clamp Tight tool turns ordinary wire into an incredibly strong custom clamp. Simply wrap wire around the hose, feed it through the tool, and tighten. Within moments, you've created a secure, high-tension clamp that can outperform many traditional hose clamps.
It's simple, effective, and trusted by off-road enthusiasts, mechanics, and emergency repair specialists alike. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Branch Conduit Bender. Bending heavy electrical conduit has traditionally required significant strength and bulky equipment. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Branch Conduit Bender changes everything. Powered by Milwaukee's M18 battery platform, it delivers accurate, repeatable bends with minimal physical effort. The digital control system allows electricians to select precise bend angles, dramatically reducing mistakes and material waste. For commercial electrical contractors, this tool can transform productivity on large-scale installations. DeWalt 20-volt max cordless pipe deburring tool. Cutting pipe is only half the job. Removing sharp burrs and rough edges is just as important. The DeWalt 20-volt max cordless pipe deburring tool automates this repetitive process. Simply place the spinning head over the pipe and let the tool create a smooth, professional chamfer in seconds. It eliminates repetitive hand reaming and dramatically speeds up commercial plumbing projects. When you're processing hundreds of pipe cuts every day, the time savings add up quickly.
Disconnecting fuel lines in those tight spaces can quickly become a frustrating battle. That's exactly why the Lisle 39120 low-profile fuel line disconnect exists. Its ultra-thin design slides into spaces where traditional disconnect tools simply can't reach. With a quick motion, it releases hidden locking mechanisms without damaging delicate plastic fittings. What could take an hour of struggling suddenly becomes a job that only takes seconds. For mechanics who regularly work on compact modern vehicles, this tiny tool can be an absolute lifesaver.
Knipex ErgoStrip PV. Solar installation requires precision, especially when preparing photovoltaic cables. The Knipex ErgoStrip PV was engineered specifically for this task. Its unique pistol grip design allows clean, accurate stripping of tough, weather-resistant cable insulation without damaging the valuable copper conductors inside. What once required multiple tools and several careful steps now becomes one smooth operation. For solar professionals, it's a specialized tool that dramatically improves speed, consistency, and safety. Sometimes a screw head is so damaged that no screwdriver can grip it. That's where Vampire Tool's extractor pliers shine. Their patented serrated jaws bite into damaged fasteners from multiple angles, providing incredible gripping power. Whether it's a tiny electronic screw or a rusted automotive bolt, these pliers excel where ordinary tools fail. They're one of the most reliable solutions available for removing stubborn fasteners.
Greenlee GX 1010K Tugger. Pulling heavy industrial cable through long conduit runs is impossible without serious equipment. The Greenlee GX 1010K Tugger provides up to 10,000 pounds of pulling force, replacing an entire crew with one powerful machine. Its intelligent monitoring systems help protect expensive cable while maximizing efficiency. For large commercial projects, it's one of the most valuable cable pulling solutions available. Makita 40-volt max XGT rebar tying tool. Tying rebar by hand is repetitive, exhausting, and time-consuming. Makita's 40-volt max XGT rebar tying tool automates the entire process. Press the tool against the rebar intersection, pull the trigger, and it creates a secure tie in less than a second. Thousands of perfect ties can be completed on a single battery charge. For concrete crews, it's a massive productivity boost. Festool Conturo KA65 Edge Bander. Applying edge banding traditionally requires bulky machinery or tedious manual methods. The Festool Conturo KA65 brings professional edge banding into a portable handheld format. It precisely applies heat, adhesive, and pressure to create factory-quality finishes on both straight and curved surfaces. For cabinet makers and furniture builders, it's a portable workshop in your hands. And that's our list of some of the most specialized tools ever designed. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible tools, workshop innovations, and gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.